Okay, if you're tired of wasting time linking products to each individual comment you're getting, asking where did you get this product, this automation is for you. Now let's say I'm on my favorite influencer's post and I want to know where they got this item. So I'll click on the post and it says in the title, comment 42 for link. Come down here, type in 42. And I instantly got a message into the link of that product. That is it's super quick and it is hands off once you set up this automation. All right, so the first thing you need to do to set this whole automation up is you go to your Facebook and you need to set up a business page. This takes less than like a minute to do. Just make up one. You don't have to have any followers on or anything like that. Just like make up any business account, put whatever name on it, and then you would come down once you're on your business page. You would come down to your settings, and I'm going to use this for Instagram. So I would come down to this Instagram tab, and I would connect. There would be a little blue connect button. You would link and connect your Instagram account to this business account you just set up on Facebook. And then you're going to come to the ManyChat. Now, ManyChat is $15 a month. They give you a 7-day free trial if you just want to try it out and see if like this will help you out. But I'm telling you, if you're spending so much time linking your own products, this is worth it. And then you would connect your Facebook page and your Instagram account to ManyChat. That way you can come over here and do all the automation stuff. And once you set this up, you would go down to automation, go to new flow, and we're going to do a start from scratch. We're just going to title this test 55. And then we're going to choose what we want this automation to be. So I want it to be a comment that someone will leave with that 55 and it will send them a direct message. So we're going to Instagram, send message, and we're going to type in this is where you would put your link at. So to whatever product are you trying to link. So here is I'm going to put my YouTube link that way for an example. So once you have that done, you go to starting step. So you click on the box and then add trigger, and it'd be Instagram comments. And then only trigger words from this comments. So we're going to put 55 as our trigger word. So when someone would comment 55, this was going to send that link. So we're going to select our publication. So this will be the post. So I made a post on Instagram. So we click our post. So because you have to make the post first, and then you have to come over and do this setup. Then you can come down here next. If you want to, so when someone leaves a comment, if you want to put like sent DM, like an automatic, so when someone comments, it'll reply to that sent DM. You can do that. It's not necessary, but it might help someone to know what they're doing. Okay, now you got to come back to click the send box, make sure that's highlighted like this, and then come up here, use as reply to Instagram comments, make sure this box is checked. Then you can publish it, but there's one more step after you do that. Go back and highlight the starting step and see where it says Instagram comments. Make sure this is green, and now it is activated. Now that 55 is activated in the comments. All right, so now on my personal account, let me show you. If I were to comment 55, so I commented 55 on this post, and then I instantly get a message to that link. And it's, and then click that link, and it goes to whatever that link would be. This is why this is a great tool for influencers. It cuts back on your time that is wasted replying to so many comments. All right, if you have any questions, just leave a comment and I will try to get to you. Thanks for watching.